Let's make Oreo cake with a twist. Here we have taken 3 Oreo packets and these are the ingredients we need for the decoration of the cake. First we have to remove cream from the biscuit. Then pour milk into the grinder and biscuits too. Here we have taken 1 cup of milk. Now our mixture is ready. Here comes the twist. Here we have to add refined flour or maida to it. Here we have also added 1 cup of milk. You can add according to your need. And we have also added 3 spoons of baking powder. Now our cake is ready. I have garnished it with some cashew nuts and raisins. Now we will carve in heart shape. For decoration, I have used melted chocolates and Oreo cream, which we have separated earlier. Now we will decorate it with some cherries. Finally, our Oreo cake with a twist is ready.